Are you looking for a beautiful entertainer's dream home in North Peoria? Then follow me.
Been walking with my head down.
Located in one of Arizona's top-rated school districts and just a short walk to Glendale Great Hearts, this home offers a perfect family-friendly environment. Step into an entertainer's paradise with a spacious backyard featuring a sparkling swimming pool, a relaxing spa, and a covered patio for those unforgettable gatherings. This family-friendly neighborhood boasts a huge grassy park area, perfect for kids to play, and it's surrounded by hiking and biking trails for the outdoor enthusiast. Plus, you're just minutes away from Lake Pleasant for fun water adventures. Need a place to park your boat or RV? Yes, you can do that here too. If you think this could be your family's perfect dream home with an entertainer's yard, top-notch schools, and a welcoming community, then give me a call today and let's turn your dreams into a reality.